So I'm down off the roof, just cleaning up my staging, planks, blocks. Yeah, the rain's holding off. It's supposed to rain every day this week, no sun in sight. But anyway, I got a couple trips to the dump to make. It's a good feeling being off the roof. That's for sure. Anyway, yeah, this is all cement here, but it's at like this end of the barn where I don't do that much, so it's kind of useless. But anyway, I'll put all this stuff in here, right there. Been a little while since I shown anything inside here. Poor car sitting in there waiting for me. Yeah, it's terrible when you have all this space and each person doesn't have time to use it all or fill it up. But anyway, here's all my, I put, these are dry on top just to weight it down, but they're all wet, so I spaced them. And here's my planks. Hopefully I won't need to use them for a while. But yeah, they're heavy when they're wet. But anyway, they'll sit there, they'll be dry by next year. Yeah, this, I guess I'm just saying the roof is done and I'm on the ground. What a pile mess. It's going to take forever to clean this mess up. Anyway, this thing works absolutely beautiful, and I didn't even burn one tank of gas in it all summer. It's still on the same tank gas. It's down to a quarter tank, but same tank of gas. Never drove it enough to fill the tank twice. Anyway, I got some. Now, when it comes to cleaning and moving garbage and things around, I'd appreciate a hand more so than on the roof. So on the roof, I can do my own thing, but here it's just monstrosity. Because as soon as you start moving stuff, the little tiny bit, it sets off a chain reaction where you have to rearrange the whole barn, basically, to get anywhere. Like it gets pretty bad. But anyway, just thought I'd say hello, and yes, I'm off the roof. It's all done. So see you later.